So, first off, I wanted to apologize. I seem to have a lot of trouble staying in the shot. I hope you enjoyed watching what you were able to see. I wanted to thank you very much for watching, and please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I want to give a special shout out and thank you to Sue, and I'll see you all next time.